Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creativedeli.com, and here I am showing you the card that I'm going to be making out of the Beautiful Moments stamp set, which I love it. I just love all the images, and I think that you can do really good watercoloring techniques with this. You can see it here. I show you in a different video how to color this one, and I'll link on this to this one somewhere here, so you can see how you can do it. And using the same technique, I went ahead and did this one. You can see how gorgeous it is, and I guarantee you're gonna see how easy it is to make it. So anyway, so I have here a piece of Sahara sand, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5. We're gonna go ahead and fold it in half. Let me just grab my bone folder. Oh, here it is. I'm like, where is my bone folder? You know me that I always use my bone folder for when I am folding my card bases. All right. Then I have a piece of the Design Series paper, and this one is from the In Colors. This one is a terracotta tile, and it is 2.5 by 6, which I'm gonna be gluing it like so, and then cut the excess. So let's just go ahead and bring the adhesive. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and glue this one down. I'm just doing this right to the border, and I'm gonna be cutting the excess. There we have it. Then I have here the piece that I watercolor, and this one is 2.5 by 3, I believe. Let me just check this. Yeah, 2.5 by 3, and this one is 1/8 of a difference. So this one is 2 5/8 by 3 1/8, and we're gonna be gluing like so. You can see it here, and let's just go ahead and look at that. All right, really nice frame around it. And I have also already, I have a strip of the mint macaron, and this one is 1 inch, and the length doesn't matter. I'm gonna be cutting it, but let me just show you real quick. More and more I'm using my little mini trimmer, and you get this one when you sign up as a demonstrator during January and March of 2019. So if you're interested in this one, make sure you get it. And again, when you buy the starter kit, you get this little guy, which I find it very useful for these type of things, because like I said, more and more I'm using it. Let me just make sure I put it right here, and you can see how easy it is. I probably want to use this guy, my Tailor Tech punch, so that I can make a little banner in. Let's see how I like it. I'm gonna put this one right here, and this one will go right there. So we're gonna go ahead and glue down this one. I'm gonna be putting it like so. And then this one will be popped up with dimensionals. What do you think? I think this one, I'm gonna cut a little bit more. And again, this is why I think this one is great, because you can pretty much customize the size to whatever you need on your sentiment. So this one makes it so easy, and you got it. It's gonna go right here. So I'm gonna be putting some dimensionals on this section, and I'm gonna put another one right there. And there we have it. What do you think, guys? It looks fantastic, don't you think? And again, I love how nice it is, the watercoloring. I love all those strokes here. You can see how really nice it goes with the watercoloring, And I don't know, I love it. And then again, just to make sure you know, this one was the Calypso Coral. This is the Mink Macaron. This is Soft Suede on the hair, Petal Pink for the skin, Pool Party for the sky, and then Sahara Sand on this area, and So Saffron for the bucket. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed. Again, I'll link to the video on how to color these images using watercolors. This is the one that I'm going to be showing you, but following the same techniques, you can do this in any color you like. So anyway, so thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.